I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. I'm going to be replacing the air filter on my 2015 Kia Sedona LX 3.3 liter engine, and I'm installing the MicroGuard air filter MGA 10271. It's pretty simple. So you pop this flap open, just pull up, and the air filter itself has locks. Just unlock. You got a tab here you can pull on, and it's out. Yeah. Then put the new one in. Pretty simple. Make sure you got the locks on this side. You grab your little handhold there and slide it in. Pretty simple. This one goes in a little more snug. So learn from my mistake. Make sure you look at it and understand it before you put it in there. Had me a little stumped because you have to pull and push in order to unlock and lock this. So unlock it first. And this one you just pull it out. There it goes. Now it went in much more simple. And then just push to lock it in place. And then close your lid. And you're done. If you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. Thanks for watching.